Alright, what's up? Back with box 3 and 4 probably. Good luck, everybody. Let's do some Valor. Vincent Jackson, base number 65 of 170. Next up, Clay Matthews for the Packers, 164 of 170. Let's go ahead and pull the patch off the back. Speed, 52 of 70. For the Vikings again, Jarius Wright, 2-color, 62 of 70. Burks 51 with the Vikings, got another hit. Alright, rookie auto for the Rams, Isaiah Peed, 127 of 146. J.D. Crostick with the Rams. Second rookie auto, 7 of 25. Gets a little fancy towards the end. Nick Toon for the Saints. And Wesley 15, Monica 2012 with the Saints. Nick Toon on card auto, number to 25, 7 of 25. And last hit of Valor. It's a vet auto for the Packers, or retired. Good luck. Oh, looks like Aaron Rodgers, right? Cedric Benson, number 73 of 200. Cedric Benson going to the Packers, and that is Haggards with the Packers. Congrats, Haggards. Glad we could finally pull you a hit. I wish it was Rodgers. Alright, so that was Valor. Valor. We'll do Supreme, and then we'll run through a whole lot of packs on Contenders. '12 Supreme, 4 cards, 1 hit. And hit is a redemption, it looks like. Alright, Nick Toon again, base 272 of 462. Ryan Broyles, 99 of 462. Our parallel is Marshawn. Oh, that's not the parallel. Oh, we didn't get a parallel. They're all numbered to 462. Alright, anyway, Marshawn is number 90 of 462. And redemption auto rookie base, good luck. For the Eagles, Nick Foles. And CMCJ 22 life, asked for some Eagles. There you go. Nick Foles, auto rookie base from Supreme. Alright, let's just roll on through Contenders. It's gonna take a minute. Alright guys, this is box 5 of 6 for the break. Haven't hit anything big yet, have we? Got Contenders and Playbook left on this one. What's up, Jay? Finishing up a break here. Austin Healy, what's going on? What's going on? This was a 6-boxer. We're on box 5. Got Contenders and Playbook to go. Jay Carr, what's up? What's up? Alright, grab a stack of Contenders. Good luck, everybody. Des Bryant. Cameron Wake. Some of these will be upside down. Ray Rice. Cam Newton. Run DMC. Stevie Johnson. Carson Palmer. Base Rookie of the Year contender, Russell Wilson. Boy, was he a contender. Alright, Garcon. Tom Brady. Chris Johnson. Percy. First auto, Melvin Ingram for the Chargers. Rookie auto, sticker. And base. Rookie auto, Melvin Ingram for the Chargers. That was a case hit. Randy Moss. Reggie Wayne. Frank Gore. Andre. Matt Ryan. MVP contender. Early Doucette the third. Drew Brees. Torrey Smith. Sanchez. Miles Austin. Richard Sherman. Blaine Gabbert. Greg Jennings. Dallas Clark. Shea McClellan for the Bears, not numbered. Haven't anything numbered yet. Hayward Bay. Peyton. Hakeem Nicks. Josh Cribbs. More backs of these in case anybody wanted to see for numbering. Not numbered, not numbered. Mohamed Sanu. That is numbered. 5 of 50 on the Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals. Rookie Stallion parallel. Oh, congrats, Jay. Man, I've gotten the Chargers like all but 1 or 2 times in the NT breaks I've joined. Eli. AJ. I've hit a couple times with them though. Reggie Bush. Ray Lewis. AJ Green, MVP contender, not numbered. Matt Castle. Michael Turner. Fred Jackson. Santonio. Josh Freeman. Matt Stafford. Sam Bradford. Jake Locker. AP. Tannehill, Rookie Stallion, not numbered. Forte. Deshaun. Alex Smith. Arian. Devin Wiley is going to be our second auto. This will be going to Chiefs fan with the Chiefs. Devin Wiley. Chief fan got another hit. Base rookie auto. And what's next? Donald Brown. Fitz. Sanchez. Fitz felt heavy. Sanchez. Romo. Elway. Not numbered. DeMarco. Vernon Davis. That was half the box of Contenders. 2 autos. We've got at least 3 left. Hopefully more. Yeah, Brandon, you complaining. He says, I've been stuck pulling down Russell Wilson lately. Man, that must suck. That must be pretty horrible. And there's the solution. Got outbid by the Chief fan, Juan. But what you told me you spent your money on instead was a good option. I'm still mad about 2 egg news in that box of NT the other night. Yeah, me too. It is tough to let them go. Alright, this is the second half of the box of Contenders. Once again, good luck everybody. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Hope y'all are having a lovely night. Alright, so we got Josh Cribbs, Gates. For the Colts, we got a Vic Ballard going to the Colts. Not too bad. Slim Shady has the Colts. Vic Ballard, base rookie auto. Shady, McGahee, Ray Lewis. This is falling out. We got Brandon Weeden. Oslander, yeah, I've got it. Well, no, the answer is no, actually, but Brandon Weeden, not numbered. But it's ready to go. It's packaged up. I was trying to print labels right before I hopped on, and got most of them printed. I think it says yours printed, but I got to reprint it. Yours and 3 others didn't print. Ray Lewis. But it'll be on the way tomorrow. I'll either make a real late run tonight or early in the morning. Wes Welker. Yeah, he pulled Russell Wilson from 5-star redemption. Jay Cutler. No problem. Bradshaw. No problem, Michael. We got Mr. Russell Wilson, man. Ben Jarvis. Phillip Rivers. Aaron Hernandez, D'Angelo, Jamal, Roddy White, Terry Bradshaw, legendary champions, not numbered. Oops, wrong pile. Donnie Avery, London Fletcher, Calvin Johnson, Steven Jackson, Tavon Wilson for the Pats, and Steve-O with the Pats. Tavon Wilson. Marcus Colston, Brandon Marshall, Anthony Fasano, Big Ben. Hold on, I got somebody at my door. Some crazy hour. Hold on, guys. Sorry.
Oh no. Yeah, no worries. I was guessing a number.
Okay. Sorry about that. Neighbor emergency. Alright, so that's Brandon Weeden. Alright, Alshon, Rookie of the Year contender, not numbered. MJD. Yeah, I'd be in trouble if that's what it was, Jay. Beanie Wells, Ryan Matthews, Jordy, Vincent, Demarius, Marshawn, Victor Cruz, Greg Little, Eli. That's a joke. MVP contender, Eli Manning. Come on now. Just joking, Giants fans. Not numbered. Gronk, Michael Vick, Debo, Flacco, Adrian Robinson, rookie auto for the Giants. Base rookie auto, Adrian Robinson. Santana Moss, Steve Smith, and Dominican. Amendola, Chandler Jones, rookie stallion, not numbered. Dalton, Brown, Ponder, Fitzpatrick, valued collector. For the Jets, rookie tickets, RPS. Stephen Hill, good old Jets. What you talking about, Jay? What's up, Jay Spec? Matt Ryan, Jimmy Graham, Matt Schaub, Kenny Britt, Phil Simms, not numbered. Sidney Rice and Laurent Robinson. Ugh. Some mean box of contenders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autos. Nothing great though. Alright, 1 box to go. We got Playbook coming up next. Let me start a new video. I'm not sure how much time is left on this.